120 preset collaboration giveaway. Mechanics 1. Watch this entire video without skipping or pushing the slider to the end. 2. Screenshot a proof that you watched the entire video. Take note of the right screenshot. Before proceeding to our next mechanics, let me show you first all the presets that you will receive from this giveaway. Mechanics number 3. Subscribe to all preset collaborators channels listed in the description box and screenshot a proof as well. 4. Send all screenshots proofs by a direct message at www.instagram.com/CreaselyandBonetta. Mechanics number 5. Once you complete steps 1 to 4, comment done and your IG link on the comments section below. It should be a clickable link of your Instagram profile. Here's the example. Don't forget to subscribe to 11 more other Lightroom preset creator to complete the mechanics. Links to their channel will be provided in the description box below. Six. No spamming on the comments section. We'll cater to each one of you, so please wait patiently. 7. Read, comprehend and follow instructions carefully. Not following instructions might get you disqualified. Leslie, enjoy editing and don't forget to tag us on your future posts using our presets. Share this video to your friends. Always note, no redistributing, no selling, no tweaking and owning of these presets. No sharing, download your own. Anyone caught will be dealt accordingly and will be banned from future giveaways.